Inside this lab and under these blue lights, coral researchers are seeing something awe-inspiring.
Yeah, I would say special and magical is the best way to describe it.
Look close, and you'll see coral spawning. It happens just once a year, and the release of these eggs and sperm lasts just a few moments. Inducing coral reproduction in a lab is no easy task. It requires the perfect water conditions and lighting that mimics the sun and the moon cycles, a process perfected by scientists at Nova Southeastern University.
So we have been doing this for at least 5 years. This is our 6th year doing it, and we have accumulated a lot of experience which other institutions don't have yet, and therefore we're going to try to pass that information.
The spawning observation and collection of coral embryos is part of a coral propagation workshop hosted by NSU. Funded by the Florida Department of Environmental Protection, experts at NSU are teaching scientists from other Florida universities and aquariums so that they can try to induce coral spawning too. Kate Etter is from the University of Miami.
I'm so grateful to be here, and I'm really excited to continue to learn and develop those skills that I'll be able to apply back in my own lab.
Dr. Joanna Figueredo is a professor at NSU and the executive director of the National Coral Reef Institute. She is leading this training and showed attendees how NSU takes the coral from larvae stage to polyps. Then they grow on tiles in this nursery and eventually become big enough to be planted on an ocean reef. Figueredo says it's essential to share her techniques to give Florida's coral reef the best chance at restoration.
Coral restoration of the Florida coral reefs will only happen if we really can produce a very large amount of corals for restoration. And that is only possible if multiple institutions are doing it.